I'm in Gangtok, India, in Sikkim province, and I'm about to take the cable car, which they call the ropeway. It takes 7 minutes, and it goes up the side of the mountain. Some incredible views of the city and the surrounding area. It's a lot of fun, and it's actually quite freaky as well when you're on it, because it sort of stops in the middle for you to get a view of the city. But it's a lot of fun. It's cost 70 rupees to take it. I just arrived to the Do-Drul Chorten Stupa, which is a Tibet monastery located right here in Gangtok City. You can get here by taking the cable car down, and then it's just a short walk from there, but this is a really quiet and peaceful place. Apparently there's 108 of these wheels that go around the stupa. Sikkimese Tibetan cuisine. Put on the chili sauce to one of these dumplings and then take a bite. Oh. Filled with a little bit of soup, nicely chickeny. Those are great momo dumplings. They're steamed, hot, and fresh, and a really plain broth soup to go with it.